Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech West. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can borrow money from Cash App. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to stick with us. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your Cash App account. Once you're logged into your account, from the home page itself, you need to tap on the balance or the bank icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next interface, you need to tap on borrow. So in order to see how much you can borrow, you need to tap on get started. Next interface, you have the range, so you can see there are a list of options. So then select it accordingly. In case if you want to add a specific number, then you can tap on the three dot icon and then you'll be able to enter the amount as preferred. So once you're done selecting the amount, tap on next. So after that, on the last interface, there's the detail. So make sure to double check all of the information provided and then tap on next. And after that, you also need to repay it. So for that, you'll need to select the repayment method and then tap on the date that is preferred to you. And once you do that, tap on next. So after that, review the payment detail and then tap on borrow instantly. So that is how you can borrow money from your Cash App account. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.